Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be doing a unbagging for you guys. I got my Ipsy Glam bag plus in the mail. If you guys want to see what I got in my bag, just continue watching. Okay, hi, welcome to anyone who's new to my channel. My name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on my channel, mostly makeup subscription boxes. I do makeup hauls, mystery boxes, all things beauty related. I show you snips and peeks of my beauty collection because I have so much stuff. If these are things that you guys love watching, then I would say, hey, subscribe. Why not? Especially if like you're interested in, trying a makeup subscription box. I cover like most of them on my channel. And the ones that I truly do love, I would never show anything that I didn't like. So these are my honest, genuine opinions and honest reviews. I happen to love Ipsy. Ipsy's one of my favorite makeup subscription boxes that I do on my channel. So let's see what I got. But before we dig in and see what I got, if you didn't subscribe, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, become a part of my family. It will be greatly appreciated. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell. It'll alert you and tell you every single time I upload a new video. And give me a thumbs up. I appreciate the thumbs up. They really do help. I know a lot of you guys sometimes watch my videos, but you don't thumbs them up, and that actually really helps. That helps promote my channel. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. So give your girl some support. Give me some thumbs up. Show your love. It's greatly appreciated. It goes a long ways, and I really appreciate all the support so far from my new channel. Thank you to everyone who's been subscribing. All right, enough with the rambling. Let's get on with the unbagging. I'm super excited to see what I got. I never look. I always wait and do everything on film. So I have all this stuff sitting here, all my subscription boxes, and I have them stacked here waiting to unbox. Oh, this is weird. They didn't put the stuff in the bag. Hold on. Or is it in the bag, but it's just, oh, the stuff is like falling out of the bag. Okay, so it's in the bag, but I just had to push everything in. Alrighty, so this is what everything comes in. How cute is this? Matches my backdrop. So let's see what I got in here. This is kind of cool. So Ipsy still does like the regular makeup bags for the regular Ipsy and the Ipsy Ultimate. But for the Plus, they give us these type of bags. And I definitely could appreciate this type of bag better. I like these much better than the other bags. So good job, Ipsy, with that. If you guys are new to Ipsy, Ipsy is a makeup subscription box. They have 3 different tiers that you can do. There is a $12 one. This is the $25 one, and they have a $50 one. So this is the $25 one. What I love about this bag that they do now that they didn't do is you get to pick 3 things. 3 things. So you normally get 5 things, and back in the day you can only pick 1 thing, 1 choice. Now you can pick 3, which is amazing. BoxyCharm, step your game up. Step your game up. Ipsy's coming for y'all. They creeping back up. And their stuff has been a lot better too. It's not as much indie brands anymore. They have a lot of like name brands. So Ipsy's coming for y'all. They creeping. Alrighty, so let's see here. So the first thing I see in here, which is super cool, I got a beauty blender. I'm just so happy right off the bat from getting a beauty blender. Look at this. This is a $20 beauty blender. I love it. Good job, Ipsy. Right off the bat, you see? Makeup. I love when they give makeup. Let me see. Is there any skincare? I don't think there's any skincare in here. I think this is all makeup. Well, there's one thing. Actually, wow. All makeup. Ipsy. Now, the ultimate, I don't know. I may be speaking too soon. My ultimate, it tends to be more skincare heavy, but this is all makeup in here. So I'm super ecstatic. They give these cards, which nobody reads at all because they don't tell you anything about what's in the bag. So it's like, I don't even read these anymore when I get them. Yeah. Alrighty. So, let's see. What is this? This is a Wonder Beauty Highline Liquid Eyeliner. So I chose, this was one of my choices. It's a black eyeliner. I'm not going to open this because obviously I have lots of makeup subscription boxes and they always give liquid liners and mascaras. Those are like the first two choices that they always give. So I don't want to open this because I have so many already. When I finally trickle through some of them, then eventually I'll try this one. But this is what it looks like. I love the packaging. This is nice. Giving you gold chrome. Very nice, very nice. I've had a couple of Wonder Beauty stuff through like my makeup subscription boxes. Mostly Ipsy, I feel like, has been giving that to me. So far, I love my two things. So excited. All right, the next thing, I think I chose this. No, I chose the other two things. So this is a Mist RX Daily Nutrient Facial Mist. It says, quench a dull, dehydrated complexion with Dr. Goldfan's Ultra Fine Mist that infuses an extra boost of minerals, skin nourishing, antioxidants, nutrients, anytime it feels stressed or dehydrated. This is for dull and dehydrated skin, problem skin. So I love like little facial mists and sprays and stuff like that. So very excited for this. Very excited for this. Let me see if it has like a smell or anything. Let's see if we can open this up. Alrighty, let's see if it has a smell. Oh, it squirts kind of weird. Hold on. Let me do it from far so it doesn't mess up my makeup. It doesn't have a smell to it. I don't smell anything at all. I don't want it to mess up my makeup though. So I guess it just gives like a glow. I mean, I already have a spray on, but I feel like my skin looks a little bit more dewier, but then again, I just sprayed it. So that's going to be a given. The next thing I got, this was my choice. So I chose a liquid liner. I chose this palette. This is the Space Case Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This is a mirror, which I'm going to cover so you guys don't get blinded by my lights. This is what the shadows look like behind. Very, very pretty. These are beautiful, beautiful everyday colors. I'm so excited to use this. Wow, 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 wow. Very pretty. The mirror's right here. It's nice and small. You can only see like a small part, but super excited to try this. I love the packaging. Space Case. Very nice. Now, I already have these brushes. Like, let me see which one is this LaRouche. Is it these? I want to say these are yeah, LaRouche. I already have these brushes, but like all the other choices I didn't like. And I'm like, you can't go wrong with brushes. I think I have like, this is like my second pack of these. Because I also got this in my Ipsy Ultimate, which they sent me as a duplicate, but they gave me like extra points for giving me that double. And they still sent me the right thing that they were supposed to send me. So now I have like 2 extra sets of this, but it's the brushes that come kind of funky. I had the set already. But I mean, you can never have too much brushes. I don't really use these brushes too often. But they're nice. So when I need some extra brushes, I'm not going to open these up because I'm not sure if I'm going to give these away because like I said, I already got these brushes. Where does it say the name at? Oh, there you go. You can see the name right there. La Rousse. Am I saying that right? La Rousse? Yeah, so these brushes I already got already. But I am very proud. This wow. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. You guys are killing it. You guys are killing it. BoxyCharm, they're coming for you. Watch out, Boxy. I got a beauty blender, $20 value, when the whole bag is $25, and this is $20 by itself. I can't tell you any of the other prices because they never give you prices anymore. You're supposed to like look it up online or something to that extent, but that's too much work for me. Too much work. Wonder Beauty liquid liner. The Space Case eyeshadows. I love these colors. These colors are so pretty. I can't wait to use. These are like my nice everyday. Yes. Yes, Ipsy. Ipsy stepping it up. I got my little hydrating face mist. My skin is oily, but like sometimes I do want a little glow. So for when I want that glow. Some brushes. And the bag. Look at this. I feel like I'm like Santa with my little sack. Hold on a second. No, let me stop. This is cute though. I'm definitely here for it. It says Ipsy on the side. If you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see where it says Ipsy. There you go. Very excited. I am super excited. Between yesterday's video, I did an unboxing of the Meron mystery box that I got. When I tell you I had a box full of stuff for $50, it was like, it seemed like it was over $200 value. Like, amazing. I was super ecstatic for that. And now today, I'm on a roll. Super ecstatic to try all these goodies out. So, Ipsy, you guys did good. I have some more unboxings. Like, I have a stack of subscription boxes that I have to unbox for you guys. It's just, whew. It's a lot, but like, I don't want to go overkill. I did one earlier. This is my second video for today, so I'll do some more tomorrow because I'm only one person. But I want to put everything out so you guys can see it nice and early, so just so you guys can have an idea of what you're going to get. So that's why I always try to do more than one video a day. Before I go, I don't know if you guys know, but it was my birthday. My birthday was September 15th. I got my birthday gifts from Sephora and Ulta. So I thought I'd share my birthday gifts with you guys. So Ulta, they ran out of their gifts when my birthday was the 15th. So if they ran out of their gifts so early, like, I feel bad for all the other people who were way after. Like, my birthday's, I kind of understand if my birthday was at the end of the month, but like, I got this, I went like, I want to say like a couple of days ago, and they were already out. But everything happens for a reason, because the gift they were giving me, I didn't even want it. It was like a Lancome, like a UVA primer or something like that with sunblock in it, which I'm not interested in because I don't like too much sunblock on my face under my makeup because it looks kind of ashy. Like, that sunblock has like that ashy cast. So they gave me a leftover birthday gift, which was this. So that was kind of cool. I love It Cosmetics. It says it's our gift to you, free with It Cosmetics purchase of $45 or more. So they gave me an eye cream, a packet, a brow pencil, and a cleanser. So I love the little clear makeup bag. This is kind of cute. I'm here for it. They gave me a Confidence, what is this? A Confidence Super Cream Moisturizer. They gave me the eye cream. They gave me the Universal Brow Pencil, which I'll put in a giveaway because I have one of these already. And they say this is universal. This ain't universal. I'm so sorry. This ain't universal. They say if you press it hard, it goes darker. If you press soft, it's lighter. But it doesn't matter how hard I press it. It ain't coming this. It's not going to be this dark. And I need it to match my dark hair. So Negative. But I'll give it away to somebody who could actually use it. And they gave me a confidence in cleanser. I haven't tried this. I'm going to try this tonight because I have not tried this cleanser. And I heard good things of this cleanser. So that was my Ulta birthday gift. Yay! Then Sephora, they gave me 3 options. They had all their birthday gifts. No shade, no tea. They had, you can get like the San Gennaro, like they had the Bum Bum Cream, the orange one, like that yellowy one, and the teal one. I hate the smell of those. I've gotten them time and time again in like my BoxyCharm boxes. I think I got one in like my Luxe box. I got one in just a regular base box. I don't like the smell of it. I don't know. And everyone raves about the smell, so I feel bad because like I hate the smell of it. So I have them right now and I don't even use them. I hate to waste stuff, but once I open it, I had to use them. So I can't give them away once I use it. So I wish I would have known, but once you open it, that's it. I'm not going to give anybody anything that I already opened, and use. But they gave me an option of that. Obviously, I said no to that because I didn't want that smell. Also, they had, it was like a hair kit. I forgot what brand it was. It was just all that one brand, but I don't need any hair products. This was like the only makeup thing. So I took this. It's by Milk Cosmetics. And they gave me 3 things. This is a packet of the Hydro Grip Primer, which I wanted to try from Milk. They gave me a sample of the Milk Kush Mascara, which I also wanted to try. And they gave me, what is this? A lip and cheek by, obviously Milk. I'm like, like it's going to be a different brand. This color looks very neutral. But, I mean, I don't really have a lot of cheek, products, that's cream. So I'll try it out. I haven't tried any of the Milk, cheek stuff. So that's that. So, yeah, these were like my little birthday gifts. I think that's really cool that like Ulta and Sephora do that. Like you don't have to buy anything. Like those 2 days I came in, didn't buy anything from either store, no shade, no tea. But you guys know I have a lot of stuff and I don't need anything. And I told myself, Aisha, stop buying stuff if you don't need it. Like I still buy stuff. Anytime there's a mystery box, I'm going to buy it. Unless it's something that I feel like I don't like if I don't like the brand or something. But majority of the time, I buy every single mystery box. I buy a lot of new launches of stuff. I bought a couple of new launches of some stuff that I'm going to show you guys on my channel as well. So I do buy stuff, but like I'm not going into Sephora and Ulta anymore and just buying a whole bunch of stuff. Because 9 times out of 10, I get them in my like makeup subscription boxes. So it's like I used to buy palettes and stuff like that. And BoxyCharm gives so many palettes. And like I literally have so much of everything. So much that I have to give away to you guys. So that way I don't feel like I'm wasting stuff. So like I said, my next giveaway will be when I hit 500 subscribers, and then I'm gonna have a huge one for when I hit 1,000 subscribers. I am a new YouTuber here on YouTube. I want to say, have I been on here 6 months or 7, around there, 6.5 months. And I'm slowly progressing. I'm getting near. I got, over from 400 subscribers. I appreciate everyone who's been subscribing, and giving me a chance because I'm new. So I know I got to prove myself, but, my army, my supporters, you guys are great. I love you guys. Thank you for everyone who's always, texting me, reaching out to me. Some of you guys reached out to me and said happy birthday to me. That meant the world to me. You guys know who you are. So thank you for that. And that's it. I'll see